Hello everyone, today I'm going to be removing the doors off my 1982 Rabbit pickup. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the clip out of here. I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver and pry it off. Okay, so now that we've got the clip out of there, we can remove that little pin. Now we are ready to remove these two bolts. I'm going to start with this one down here. These are 13 millimeter. Got the bottom one out. I'm going to roll the window down so I can kind of hold the door up with my shoulder as I'm taking out this top bolt. Alright, that's one door removed, so now I've just got to do the driver's side, and it's the same process.